As a business owner, it's important to keep your business expenses and earnings well organized. Today, I'll guide you through creating your business profit and loss statement using the BossTax app.
To get started, on your dashboard, you'll tap the hamburger menu at the top left. Next, you'll select Finances. This is the main section of the app where you can manage everything related to your business finances. If you have multiple businesses, you can switch between them from this page by tapping on the link below your business emoji. Once you've selected your business, let's select Financial Summary. This is the summary of your business's profit and loss. This page shows you your business expenses in the top section and your business income in the bottom section. If you add receipts or profit statements, they'll show up here automatically. Also, anything that BossTax finds for you from your connected accounts that looks like a business income or expense will also show up in these sections. So let's start by selecting expenses, and let's review the potential deductions that BossTax has flagged for you. Anything marked with a thin blue line to the side here is a BossTax suggestion. If it doesn't have a line, that means it's something you've already approved or that you added yourself. If a BossTax suggestion is wrong, meaning that the expense is actually personal and not for business, simply swipe to the left and mark it as personal. If everything else looks correct, approve the latest deductions, then have them added to your business summary. And just like that, BossTax is saving you money on your taxes and helping keep your books in order. Next, you can help BossTax find more business expenses for you. Let's say you took a trip to Memphis last June for business, and those expenses aren't coming up on the list of suggestions. On this screen, you can just hold down the microphone and leave a voicemail message for your tax success team describing any other business expenses you had that aren't showing up yet in your summary. You want to be as descriptive as you can be, but don't worry if you can't remember all the details. For example, I'm going to hold down this microphone and say, last June I went to Memphis and I stayed about 4 days and I flew there on Delta. Also, I stayed in a Marriott Courtyard and had a rental car. I also went to Salt Lake City last August and I think I flew Delta out of there and stayed in a Sheraton. This works for anything that is missing. You can either type or speak directly to that, and BossTax will help find what it is that you're missing and add it to your summary. You can always come back and record more messages here, or send a chat or audio to your team through WhatsApp. Anytime you can think of anything, you can reach out to BossTax. If there's nothing to add for now, simply select Nothing Right Now, and just like that, your business profit and loss statement is complete. If you've connected your card and bank accounts to the BossTax app, the app is working silently in the background to pull in your data, so you can just check back when you have some time to catch up. In just a few minutes, you can have a business profit and loss statement ready to go for tax time.